Good morning, traders. I just made a little trade just now. I had a little trouble with the recorder, but I got it going again. So I'm recording this trade. I just got back in. I'm going long. The system says to go long. It looks like it's going to be a long day today. In other words, it's going to go up. It's going to continue to go up. I've got a 70 tick exit on this one right here. I'm going to go for a 70 tick trade right here. The computer is saying that it is going to go up. So in other words, the computer has just given away a tell. The programmers, when they programmed the computer program, left behind a major flaw when they did so. And if you know how to read it properly, you can tell which direction it's going to go. And you can also know how far it will go, pretty much, not with 100% accuracy, but as a general rule, you can know about how far it will go. And this one should make 70 ticks here. So, actually, it'll probably go considerably more than that, to be honest, but this is a conservative trade, just going for 70 ticks. It's probably going to go much more, but we'll see. 70 ticks, though, is pretty high math. So I'm just going to go with the high mathematics and just watch this thing take off. It's about to take off here. See, it's getting towards the top of where it was. As soon as it breaks that right there, it's going to rip higher. So anyway, it's not rocket science. It's just simple mathematics of how to play the market, how to play the computer that's controlling these markets, all markets, oil, gold, everything, you name it, Forex, everything. I discovered this system on the Forex. A lot of people have been asking me lately, what about the Forex? Does it work on the Forex? Yeah. I discovered it in 2006 originally on the Forex market. And then later I discovered it on oil, and then later everything else. And I realized that everything was trading by a computer. Nothing really trades. All ETFs, Forex, all commodities, all futures, all stock indexes, everything trades by a computer now. Nothing really trades anymore. It's all one big scam. That's why, they call me a scam everywhere and say that, I'm a nutcase and all this different stuff, because they need to get people to believe them so that people don't wake up to the fact that everything's controlled by a computer. They don't want people to know. I mean, if people knew that it was all a big scam, there's a chance that they would do something about it. I seriously don't think so, but there is that possibility that if people actually really woke up, that they would really rebel, because then they would realize that they're being lied to on a level that they never dreamed possible. And it's not just about the financial markets, it's literally about everything under the sun. And anyway, with respect to trading, it's really good for us, obviously, because we can take advantage of it and make a lot of money from it. That's about the only good news I can bring, only good news I could talk about, is that we can take advantage of it. But the real reason why it's under the control of a computer is a very evil reason. And it's not going to be good for anybody in the world. But unfortunately, there isn't anything that we can do about it. So anyway, I'll be back shortly to show you the progression, of course the outcome of this trade, but you can pretty much figure this trade is in the bag. It's going to go up, break that high, and boom, go much higher. It may go considerably higher today, like even 200 ticks. But 70 ticks is pretty sure. Anyway, I'll come back shortly, show you the progression and the outcome. And here it goes. It just shot up above that high, and now it is taking off. My exit is let's see, I'm in at 33.30, and my exit is up here. Put it right at 34 on the high. Should be able to get it, no problem at all. I'll be back. Trade is continuing to move higher here, getting closer and closer. Just has to make it up to 34 for the 70 ticks. Piece of cake. I'll be back. This thing stopped me out, came back down, stopped me, And so no, I'm back in. But see, the thing is that the computer is still saying that it's going to go up. It's just that my stop didn't hold. So I'm using a secondary system here. I'm not using the first, so I'm not taking a precision level entry. So my stop didn't hold, but this thing's still going to shoot up. See how it looks like it's going to come down? It's not. It's going to turn back around and go all the way back up again and go break that high again. Watch. And so I had to take another entry here into it. But it'll go up and do exactly as I say. I'll come back and show it to you. But it doesn't look like it though, does it? Looks like it's going to come down, doesn't it? But it won't. It'll go back up again. Anyway, I'll come back and show it to you. Just wanted to show you really quick that it has moved back up again, and it broke the previous high just like I said it would. Now it just has to continue to go up, and my exit is for 70 ticks at 92. Should be able to make it there very easily. And I just wanted to show you that, you know, when it was down here and it was going down, right, I pointed out that it looked like it was going to go down, and yet I knew that it was going to go back up again. That how could I possibly know something like that? In real trading, I'm just telling you something. In real trading, it is absolutely, positively, 100% guaranteed impossible to know that. Impossible. No trader in the world can know something like that. The only reason why I know or knew is because it's controlled by a computer in advance. And I broke that computer code in the year 2006. It has been 10 long years since I broke that code. Anyway, I am showing you, I am showing the public, I am putting these videos up to YouTube to show everyone out there what I can do with my system, because it's controlled by a computer. I want people to wake up to this. I want people to be able to utilize it and make money from it. And a lot of people are. Thousands of people have at least have access to it, and a great deal, many of them are very successful. One guy I know is using 25 contracts for every trade. He's obviously making a tremendous amount of money. Anyway, you can see it's almost to the exit now. It'll make it there with no problem. I probably could go for considerably more than this. I probably could go for an extra 50 ticks, to be honest, but 70 ticks is high mathematics, and I just want to keep it high, take a good trade off the table for today, and I'll be done for today. Precision trading, getting it right, hitting a big trade, calling it a day, doing it again the next day, there's nothing like it. Learn my system. If you need more help, sign up to my charting service. I'll track it for you. That'll help you to take the entries to make the kind of trades that you see me doing. You can do it on your own. You don't need the charting, but a lot of people like to rely on me and my expertise, get the charting, and then it makes it even easier for them. I have a lot of people signed up to my charting right now. A lot of people. Anyway, I will come back and show you the outcome of this trade. It's going to hit in a little while, and just want to inspire you of how incredible this is. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to make money. Don't let anybody out there fool you, because there is unfortunately a people who do want to fool you that this doesn't really work. I know that's bizarre. I know it's strange, but you have no idea what really goes on behind the scenes with these people. Anyway, I'll be back. I'm going to show you the outcome of the trade. It's going to be there very shortly. Just wanted to come back and show you really quick that the trade did make it to the exit. and I was up at 92, which is like right there, and it shot up to like 15, 34.15, so it made it a bit past the exit. There's a very good chance it's going to keep going here and continue to go up, or it might roll over here and start to come down. I could play it if I wanted to, but I don't need to, and I just wanted to show you that even when it was down here like this and looked like it was going down, that I bought again another entry and took another entry long and said it was going to go up and break that high and even go much higher up to my exit way up here, and it did exactly what I said it would do. And the reason for that is because it's controlled. All of the markets, not just oil, are controlled by a computer program. I broke the code to that computer in the year 2006. I am teaching how this works and how to read the computer. And it's the most incredible trading system that you could possibly get in the world. 100% guaranteed. So, you know, if you're interested in trading, by all means, you should get my system and learn from me. And then you'll be able to trade like you're watching me do. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow, which is Friday, to do some more trading. I hope all of you traders out there are doing well, especially those of you using my system and are subscribed to my charting. Hope you're nailing the trades here like I am, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy trading.